everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where I am so excited. We are taking you to 347 Bowery, where we're gonna go see units 9, 10. It's a fabulous duplex, a little under 3,000 square feet, listed just below $7 million at $6,995. All right. As always, we love being your real estate team of choice here at the Wheelock team. So be sure to like this, subscribe, send this to a friend. Who do you know that's looking to relocate to New York City? Because we would absolutely love to help them out. But for now, let's go see Toni. I'm so excited. I am here with Toni Haber, who is going to tell us all about this unit and the area. So thank you, first and foremost. And this is not a big building.
Nope.
How many units?
6.
6 units. Okay, great. One thing that I have to say is you might see the address of being on Bowery, but the entrance is off of Bowery, which is really nice.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a cool little building, great little entrance. You could pass it day and night and never know it's here.
Yeah.
So that's fun.
And it's quiet for being on Bowery. I
Yeah.
was actually expecting a lot more noise.
Yeah, and you get a lot of open views that, because the building is low, so we're in like NoHo, East Village, and then like literally look right there, and that's like Greenwich Village. So you're right in the middle, and then you can walk right to Soho and Tribeca. So it's a really convenient location. And then we'll show you the views after, and we're on the 9th and 10th floor. Super special.
Yeah.
Annabella Seldorf was the architect, and as we go through the apartment, you'll also see that the way they designed the windows and the walls, no direct light ever hits the walls, so you'll see there's art, and if you have even more expensive art, like it won't get damaged. How cool is that?
Oh, that's really cool. I had no idea.
Yeah.
Huh.
And then you got the little window behind you.
Yeah.
You get to see uptown, you see the Chrysler building, and just fun stuff.
Yeah. So do you have any favorite restaurants in the area?
So you have Il Buco, which has been here for decades, which is just fantastic. And then there's Lafayette, and you have Temple Bar, which is fun and been here for quite a while. And just there's so many new places are coming online here, and it's hard to keep up.
It seems like a very inconspicuous building for being in the middle of so much. It's like you get to be here in the middle of everything. You can go eat at fabulous restaurants, but then come home to a small building and have a gorgeous, gorgeous space. I cannot wait to see it.
Yeah, why don't we go take a look?
I love it. Let's do it. All right. So living, dining, kitchen.
Yeah, so the current owners are more informal, so they don't really have a formal dining room table, but ideally it would be right under that light where that sofa is over there, a big long dining room table. Then you have a window which people can look out at, and then of course you see all the low-rise buildings and views of very important other buildings in New York City, so it's super fun.
Yeah.
And so you have double height ceiling.
And then the kitchen is great. It has a window.
Yeah, the kitchen's really cool. Fabulous appliances. And then this, although we don't use this a lot, and I may, so this will be in the way, but this actually, if you don't want to show your kitchen, this unfolds and closes this whole kitchen off, and you wouldn't even realize there's a sink and a window here. But this is very unique. While you're doing the dishes, I see the Chrysler building. I see the H&M building, which is Times Square, which is super cool. Unique opportunity. So yeah.
Awesome. All right, what's next?
Yeah, so down here, you have this beautiful, architecturally interesting staircase, and they made like a little hangout Zen room for themselves. And then 2 of the bedrooms, including the primary, are upstairs. And this would be the 3rd bedroom, which they made like their movie theater. So
this is great.
Yeah, they like to chill, so they're just like hanging out in this room again. Not a lot of guests. Bowery Hotel for the guests, and they just watch Netflix and all that other good stuff that we do now.
This is the way to do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so the great thing about having a duplex home in New York City is it feels like a house, right? And it's always nice separation of entertaining and living, and the elevator also comes up to this level, so if you have luggage and you want to bring it up here, you can do that. You don't have to lug it up the stairs. So 2nd bedroom, really nice space. They have speakers, big window.
Full bathroom.
So primary bedroom, full, we'll look at the closets after, but you're kind of lying in bed and just like have the city at your fingertips.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Toni, for showing us around. And yeah, anything else we should know about the unit or the area?
Yeah, it's just come on, take a look. It's available for sale. It's $6,995 and could be yours.
Yeah, and just under 3,000 square feet. And you can actually feel that. I feel like a lot of apartments, you read that and then you go in and you're like in the hallways. But no, this is really nice. It has a lot of generous space. Awesome. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us at 347 Bowery. I know that Toni would love to show us around, so reach out and we can come and get a tour just for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. Who do you know that's looking to relocate to New York City? Bye, guys. But will you get my cleavage if you're that close?
Yeah, that's what sells.
My lack of cleavage? Just kidding.
All right.